In this video, I'm going to show you how to fulfill Spocket orders on Shopify. So, first of all, we gotta talk about how to view your orders. So, if you are integrated with Shopify, all your Spocket orders will automatically sync with your Shopify store. And these orders will be labeled with an S prefix, such as, for example, order hashtag S-0001. So you can basically easily distinguish the Spocket orders from your regular store orders from your store. So just keep an eye on this and be on the lookout, okay? Because those have an S and the others don't. So if you're not connected to Shopify, you can view and manage all your Spocket orders on the My Orders page in the Spocket for Suppliers dashboard, which looks like this down here, over here. I'll show you later. Now, we're first going to talk about how to fulfill orders on Shopify. So if you're integrated with Shopify, you can follow these steps to fulfill an order, okay? So if you're connected Spocket and Shopify, you can do this. Now, you can navigate to the orders section in your Shopify store and then locate order with the S prefix in their order numbers. So, as I said earlier, and then in the notes section of each order, you'll have to print the Spocket branded invoice to include with the shipment. Then you would fulfill the order as you normally would with any Shopify order, and once you enter in a tracking number in Shopify, it will automatically sync with Spocket and be shared with your retailers. So pretty much, it's a very great integration. It doesn't take much extra work at all. But then we've also got the option to fulfill orders on Spocket for suppliers dashboard, okay? So if you're not integrated with Shopify, you will have to follow these steps over here. So first, of course, you'll have to log in to the Spocket for Suppliers app or the website, and then from the left-hand toolbar, you will have to select My Orders, which is this kind of button over here. And then you will have to use the filter function to locate unfulfilled orders. So press filter up here in the middle of the screen, and then you will have to set it to unfulfilled, and then press apply filter. Then you will have to choose one or multiple orders. So on the left, simply click on those orders, and then you will have to click set to processing so the retailer gets notified that you're working on the order. And then you have to prepare the shipping label and package the order. So you have to ensure the Spocket branded invoice is included. That's very important. So as you can see, you can click the View Order tab, and then under Order Status, you will see the ability to print the invoice. And then once the order is ready to ship, you can open the order and add the tracking information, including the carrier name, tracking number, and tracking URL to notify the retailer, which is this button over here. So when you're ready to ship, pretty much just click add tracking and you have to add this information, and that's literally it. That's how you fulfill Spocket orders on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.